Guest Editions allows you to integrate your Linux guest into VirtualBox. We will cover the installation and a couple of common issues and how to resolve them. In this demo, I'm using VirtualBox 7.0.12. And the guest machine, or VM, is Ubuntu version 22.04 LTS. And this shows the Linux kernel release version. Before installing the guest additions, we need to prepare the Ubuntu guest. Firstly, update the package lists. Then install Build Essential and DKMS. Then check that the installed Linux headers version matches the kernel release version. This shows us that we have the correct version installed. Resolving mismatches is covered in the Troubleshooting section a bit later. Install the Guest Edition CD image. It does attempt to auto-run, but that never seems to work. Open up a terminal at the CD image location and then run the VBox Linux Edition script. This should take about 5 minutes to complete. When your output looks like this, then everything installed properly. However, what do you do if you see this message? Find out what went wrong. Let's cover that next. Here's an excerpt from the VirtualBox manual. This says, install the Linux headers that best match. For Ubuntu, we will want the generic headers files. In addition, you should install the latest version of VirtualBox. Assuming you have the latest version, how do you update the Linux headers? In a terminal, enter uname -r. Use the apt-list command to see if you have the correct Linux headers installed. You can alternatively use apt-cache policy, which gives a little bit more information. You can also use it to search for alternative header files that best match. If you are looking for a specific header files version, you can use what is known as a wildcard. Here, we're looking for version 6. Or, more generically, you can search for all Linux headers versions. If available, you can install your specific headers using this command. This only works if your specific kernel version exists. If not, you will have to install your best match version manually, as shown in this example. If you have done all of that and still have an issue with installation, check your VirtualBox version again, and if that is up to date, consider using the LTS version of Ubuntu. Okay, back to our installation. Reboot the guest. It's finished rebooting. Let's see what happens when I maximize the window. Okay, that's not good. We have a blank square. We've forgotten one thing. Let's first shut down this VM, and if I play with the sizing, I can shut it down. Open up the VirtualBox Manager. Click Settings and then Display. Increase the video memory to the maximum. Start the guest. Maximize the window, and this time we get a full screen. And that completes the installation of guest editions on Ubuntu.